What is up, TSFL Nation? I'm back with another reaction, and this is a Reggie Coos video, and this is Gave My Uncle the AUX chord again. So he was singing both by Gucci Mane and Drake the last time. So let's see what song he's gonna be. Oh. He got his Keisha Cole in, okay.
Don't even do. So you fantastic? If you don't want me, don't talk to me now. Yo,
Can we drive?
Nephew, there's some good music right here, boy.
Nephew, this is some good music right here, boy. Y'all don't know about this music.
No, I can't do this. Stop touching I can't do this. I'm not doing this with you. Oh, see?
Oh.
I'm trying to unlock the door so you can get out the car. Ain't doing it, nephew.
Okay.
Ain't doing it, nephew. What? Oh, hell. You crazy as hell, boy. Get your ass back in this car. Don't make me step out. Don't make me step out. This boy crazy as hell.
Oh my gosh. This guy is funny, man.
Nephew, there's some good music right here, boy. Hey, man, stop touching the radio.
You know, I can't wait to have a nephew to mess with him like that, because, like, that's how most uncles are. They like messing with their nephews. But thank you guys for watching. That was a funny video by Reggie Coos. So yeah, that was a pretty good video. Thank you guys for watching. Like the video, like this, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.